I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming pairing. Your S9 Ultra must be connected to the phone via the Galaxy Wearable app. Once connected, open the app and go straight to Watch Faces. Don't waste time in settings. You'll pick the Photo Watch Face option. Why here? Because the Wearable app sends the image and layout to the watch in the correct format. Make sure your desired photo is in the phone gallery before you continue. If not, save it now. Now you choose the image. Tap Select from Gallery inside the Photo Watch Face editor. You'll crop and position the photo for the circular or rounded screen. Do this carefully because the watch will crop edges. Once positioned, pick Complications, time, style, date, or step count, and adjust accent color to keep readability. Make sure text contrasts with the photo, otherwise change the photo or use a darker overlay. When satisfied, tap Apply so the app prepares the package to send to the watch. You finish by tapping Apply. The app will upload the custom watch face to the S9 Ultra and set it as active. Once done, look at the watch to confirm placement and that complications are visible. If something overlaps, go back and recrop or change complication positions. If the transfer fails or the face doesn't appear, restart both devices and retry the transfer. This resolves most Bluetooth handshake issues. If problems persist, clear app cache, then repeat the process.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.